Up until recently, the commercials you saw on TV were very disease and drug related. You'd see somebody in a park who had arthritis learning how to do Tai Chi, and the thought was that if you took that drug, you could do Tai Chi when just 3 weeks before you were all tight with arthritis.
If you have osteoarthritis, you owe it to yourself to learn about Celebrex.
Today you'll see a commercial that's very, very different. It's very personal and it's trying to be very warm.
We started working on a new heart medicine in 1982. It took 15 years to complete all the tests and find the exact right compound. When we started, my son was in diapers.
When we finished, he was in high school.
Mainly a PR push to kind of justify the profits that they're making and the prices that they charge.
GlaxoSmithKline. Today's medicines finance tomorrow's miracles.
Whenever the industry is attacked or criticized, what they say is that we produce the miracles that save lives. We put all this money into research and development, and we come up with these wonderful new products. And if you give us a hard time, essentially, if you try to exercise judgment about which products to buy, if you try to negotiate for better prices, if you create a public system that in any way disadvantages us, then we will stop producing these new drugs. And that's been a very, very potent argument because it's scary. I mean, people, are terrified of Alzheimer's disease, they're terrified of cancer, and they really want to believe that there will be, that cures will keep coming.
We spend over $2 billion a year on research. That's why we believe we'll introduce more new medicines for more diseases than anyone else. At Pfizer, we're not just looking for cures for the future. We're going to find them.
Industry will tell you that one of the reasons why their drugs are expensive, at least is what they'll say, is that R&D costs are so high. Well, if that's true, another one of the reasons for the drugs being expensive has to be that promotional costs are so high. I don't think you can have one or not the other.
If you look at the tax filings of the largest pharmaceutical corporations, you will find that more money is taken in profits than is devoted to research and development, and a great deal more money goes into marketing and administration than into research and development.
It is a free market society, and I think that everybody should be able to create something, market it, and sell it within the limits of the law. But when you're looking at an industry that's being protected by our government and giving tax exemptions by our government, and they're not being held accountable, and they're being able to charge whatever they want. The price of drugs today has less to do with how much it costs to bring to market. It has to do solely with how much the market will bear.
What the industry has done in response to this and the declining esteem in which it's held by the public is to just do more of the same old, to put more money into marketing, to put more money into lobbying, to put more money into political campaigns. But we're running out of ways to pay for these drugs, and sooner or later something's going to have to give.